Audi is a renowned German luxury automobile manufacturer that has been producing high-quality vehicles since 1910. The company is part of the Volkswagen Group and is known for its commitment to innovation, sophisticated design, and excellent engineering. Here are some merits and demerits of Audi cars. Merits: 1. Design and elegance. Audi cars are known for their sleek and sophisticated design, combining aesthetic appeal with a modern, minimalistic approach. 2. Build quality. Audi is recognized for its impeccable build quality and attention to detail, using high-quality materials in their construction. 3. Technological advancements. Audi consistently incorporates cutting-edge technology and driver assistance systems into their vehicles, enhancing both safety and driving experience. 4. All-wheel drive expertise. Audi has established itself as a leader in all-wheel drive, quattro, technology, providing excellent traction and stability on various road conditions. 5. Performance-oriented models. The Audi S and RS models cater to performance enthusiasts, offering powerful engines and sport-tuned suspensions. 6. Safety features. Audi places a strong emphasis on safety, equipping their cars with advanced safety features and earning high safety ratings in crash tests. Demerits: 1. Price. As a luxury brand, Audi vehicles generally come with a higher price tag compared to mainstream brands, making them less affordable for some consumers. 2. Maintenance costs. Luxury cars, including Audi, can have higher maintenance and repair costs due to the use of premium parts and advanced technology. 3. Reliability concerns. While Audi's overall reliability has improved significantly over the years, some models may still experience occasional issues that could be costly to resolve. 4. Limited off-road capability. Despite the advanced quattro all-wheel drive system, most Audi models are not designed for serious off-road driving. Examples: 1. Audi A4, a popular compact luxury sedan known for its stylish design, comfortable interior, and a balanced combination of performance and fuel efficiency. 2. Audi Q5, a mid-size luxury SUV offering a blend of practicality, technology, and a smooth driving experience. 3. Audi A7, a premium four-door coupe featuring a sporty design, advanced technology, and a spacious interior. 4. Audi TT, a sporty two-door coupe or convertible with a distinctive design and responsive handling. 5. Audi RS6 Avant, a high-performance station wagon with a powerful engine and dynamic driving capabilities. As with any car brand, the merits and demerits of Audi vehicles can vary between different models and generations. When considering purchasing an Audi, it's crucial to research specific models, read reviews, and, if possible, test drive the car to ensure it aligns with your preferences and requirements. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates.